Hello everyone, myself Dr. S. Prasad, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Computer Science and Application, VET Institute of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about what are the artificial intelligence tools that are available in the current era. These are the key areas we are going to discuss in this session. The first will be as an introduction, then next will be what is artificial intelligence and history of artificial intelligence, AI powered tutoring system, AI in content creation, AI for administrative tasks, AI for student engagement, AI for data analysis, challenges and ethical consideration in AI, examples of AI in education. The first we are going to discuss about the introduction. Artificial intelligence is everywhere that you are using in a one way or another way, don't even know about it. Artificial intelligence in education is a way students can teach and students can learn and teachers can teach. So AI tools offer personalized learning experience, real-time feedback and advanced analytics to enhance the education process. This presentation will explore the potential of the artificial intelligence in transforming the education landscape. So what is AI? So AI is created by intelligent entity created by humans. So capable of performing tasks intelligently without being explicitly instructed, capable of thinking, acting rationally and humanly. So artificial intelligence is when computers are programmed to do the things normally require human intelligence like learning or making decisions. So the way of to make machine smart enough to think and act like a humans for specific tasks and used in the many technologies like self-driving car, Siri, Alexa, etc. How AI will work? The first process will be in AI is a data collection. Then second process will be as a data processing. Then third will be as a algorithm training. And fourth one will be as a decision making. And last one is a feedback loop. So in data collection, gathering a large amount of data from a diverse sources. So we are collecting large amount of data from the various database from the world. So next one will be as a data processing, the algorithm to analyze and extract the patterns, correlations from the collected data. So first we are having a input data, then pre-processing data, then cleaning a data, then future engineering. So third one will be as a algorithm training. The algorithm training is used for one is supervised learning, another one is a unsupervised learning. The supervised learning is called as a labeled data and unsupervised learning is called as a unlabeled data to predict the patterns. Next one will be as a decision making. The decision making is used for processing a data to make decision or prediction. Example for decision making will be as a weather prediction or rainfall prediction or disease prediction. That will comes in the prediction algorithms. The next last one will be as a feedback loop. AI system to improve the accuracy by continuous learning from new data and user interaction. So we are going to examine about the selected the features, then they will train the model. The model will be performed by after that they will be deployment the model, then make a predictions. So already I have discussed about the weather prediction and rainfall prediction. That will comes like this step, basically using this step. So this is the history of artificial intelligence. In earlier 1950s, the first research was developed in the artificial intelligence. In 1960, symbolic AI was designed. Then 1970, knowledge-based representation of the system can be defined for the artificial intelligence. In 1980s, the expert system emerges in the artificial intelligence. After in 1990s, the neural network will be performed. In 2000, machine learning will be introduced. In 2010, deep learning will be introduced. Now we are using as a 2020, it's applied AI concepts. So here we are going to discuss about the what is a artificial intelligence and machine learning and deep learning. So artificial intelligence is a technique which enables the machine to mimic the human behavior. Next one will be as a machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence which use statistical method to enable machines to improve their experience. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning which makes this computation of multi-layer neural network feasible. Then we are going to discuss about the what is meant by machine learning and deep learning. So here machine learning algorithm to analyze the data, identify the pattern and make decision or predictions. So example for Machine learning will be as a spam filter, recommendation system, and predictive models. Then we are going to see about the deep learning. What is deep learning? So deep learning is a subset of machine learning inspired by the structure and functions of the human brain neural networks. How the human brain will works. Based on the neurons, the machine learning and deep learning will work in the artificial intelligence systems. Using deep neural network, which with many layers of learn for large amount of data. Then they excel in their task like image and speech processing, natural language processing, and autonomous driving. So if we consider as an image, it will be as an analog image or digital image. In speech recognition, we are going to take as a original live speech recognition or already recorded voice recognition. So these are the applications of the artificial intelligence used in the industries. The first AI across industry will be as a logistics, retail and e-commerce, finance, hospitality, education, energy and oil, manufacturing, automotive industry and healthcare industry. So in education industry, how the AI will perform in testing and assessment purpose, flexible scheduling and AI writing assistant. The various tools has been evolved in the AI assistant tools. Next one will be as a healthcare. The healthcare system will be the patient data analysis and mining, pattern recognition and AI assistant treatment plans will be applied in the healthcare industry by using the artificial intelligence tools. So next sector will be as a banking sector. In banking sector, they have developed as a customer service chatbots, fraud detection and preventing cyber attacks. So next we move on to the retail industry, that is called as a manufacturing. The robotic enabled product system has been introduced in this. Next it will be as augmented reality and then Internet of Things. Next the field of logistics, they have handling requests, feedback collection, predictive analysis for the data analysis. Next sector will be as a transportation sector. It navigates the system like toll gate or RFID or toll gate processing system, autonomous vehicle system. This can be performed by using the artificial intelligence. So the real-time example for the transportation will be as a toll gate. Next, we move on to the future of artificial intelligence. In future of artificial intelligence, increased automation of routine tasks across industries, personalized healthcare through AI-driven diagnostics and treatment, advancement in autonomous vehicle for safer transportation, AI-powered chatbots to enhance the customer service interaction, customized education experience with adaptive learning and tutoring, augmentation of human capability with decision making and creativity. The AI will rule in the future generation of these systems. Then integration of artificial intelligence with the IoT devices for smarter environment. Then AI impact across a diverse sector like finance, agriculture and entertainment field. These are the technical challenges in the AI. So the first one will be as a massive data sets are available in the artificial intelligence, then data quality. Second one will be as a data quality, then computational cost, then interpretation of black box data, robustness, then reasoning, the pattern recognition, how it will be working in the artificial intelligence. The first thing will be as a building trust, how the trust can be built in the artificial intelligence. Then second one will be as a artificial human interface. Third one will be as a investment. Fourth one will be as a software malfunction, how the viruses can be attacked by using the artificial intelligence systems. They can replace by the certain task. So AI chatbots can be replaced by the certain task of the human. Then higher expectation will be functioning on the challenges in the artificial intelligence. So how AI will work in the education system? So AI is transforming the education landscape from personalized learning to automated grading. We are in previous generation we are using as a manual calculations for the mark sheet or something else. So in AI generation they are getting automated grading in AI powered tools such as enhancing teaching and learning experience for educator and students. AI customized learning experience track student progress, adaptive tutoring system. AI can track the student progress and also the adaptive feedback. We will get a feedback from the immediately what the session, how the session can be performed by using the artificial intelligence tools. So next one will be as a artificial intelligence tools for enhancing teaching. So the first one will be as a personalized learning. So second one will be as a automated grading. Third one will be as a AI tutoring and data analytics and collaborative learning. In personalized learning, the tailor can deliver the based on student learning pattern, how the student can interact with the topics, what are the topics they require, that can be taught by using the personalized learning. We can support by 24/7, the AI can using the personalized learning system. Then automated grading, we are using lot of new tools that is called as a grading system. This will be comes in the upcoming slides. I will discuss about what are the grading system that are available in the artificial intelligence tools. Then AI tutoring, the virtual support and immediate feedback from the students. So let me take it as an example for us. So I am NPTEL courses or MOOC courses that are developed. This will be as a virtual platform. How the student can be tutoring by using the artificial intelligence tools. Then data analytics, how the data can be analyzed. Example, the student mark is the first semester, how the student can perform, second semester, how the student can be improved. So all the things will come under the data analytics tools. Then collaborative learning. So how the student can be collaborated with the other students, what are the interests, based on this interest there can be the collaborative learning can be worked. Next it will be as AI tools for enhanced learning. So this is the advanced techniques that is called virtual reality and augmented reality. It creates the immersive learning for experience. Next one will be as a natural language processing. It will be facilitate automated essay scoring and language translation. The instant feedback for the provide real-time assessment and feedback on student work, how the accessibility can be performed, how the text to speech conversion offer in the real-time capturing. So if we perform in previous generation, we must record and then we will convert it to the voice. So in this generation, we can give a text that will convert it to the speech based on the AI voice assistance. So next one will be as administrative support, the assist the scheduling and resource management for the. Next one will be as a AI powered tutoring system. This is called as a personalized learning. Then already I have discussed about this 24/7 availability of the traditional classroom hours, enhancing the accessibility for students. Data driven insights that will perform the student performance to identify the strength and weakness of the target instructions. So continuous improvements, it gives us a content and algorithm based on the student interaction and the feedback. So next it will be continuous AI powered tutoring system. So AI foster for student centric learning approach, placing the focus of individual student needs and preferences and strength. This AI tutoring system will perform the individual student strength and preferences that can be discussed in this AI powered tutoring system. So more engaging on the effective learning experience. It can assist by using the data analytics and more personalized instructions. So bridging the geographical barriers to connecting between the students and quality of data that can be performed by using the AI tools. So AI in data analytics tools. So this can perform their own personal assistant, answering questions, helping us to write text, create images, speak more effectively and more. Most teachers can agree this can be performed in the more time. So these are the AI tools for learning. So first one will be as Adobe Firefly, then it will be as a Bing image creator, QueryPod, Bing chat, QuestionWell, then Goblin tools, FigJam, Jamboard, Formative AI, Khan-Migo, Defeat, then ChatGPT. You know about the ChatGPT very well. Nowadays we are using the ChatGPT for any informations. Then Google Bard, then Pictory, Magic School, Education Copilot, Copy AI, Educative AI, Hello History, Grammarly, then Magic Classroom. So Magic Classroom, we are used as a Google Classroom. Now we are going to use as a Magic Classroom. Then God Feedback, Summarize the Tech, Conquer, Perplexity, Parley Jenny, Knowledge, Happy, Quizasset, and Chat PDF. These are the AI tools that are available in the website for the purpose of using the technologies for free purpose. So the first one will be as a AI tools for education. So this is the continuing development of generative artificial intelligence tool capable for producing natural language, computer code, image or video to use the user queries. This is the example for AI tool for education will be as a PDF converter, Word to PDF. Take it as an example, I love PDF or some other PDF tools are available. Lot of PDF tools are available online in online PDF converter. So we can convert it as a PDF, it will be as a Word to PDF, then image we can convert, then video tools, then files, what are the things we want to convert, that can be performed by using these AI tools. So next one will be as a content writing. So in this generation, lot of people struggling into how to write a content. So in AI, that gives us a content writing tools. The AI tools like Grammarly to enhance the writing by checking grammar, spelling and styles. Copyscape is another AI tool, ensures the content originality. Check the content originality, how the content, what are the contents are plagiarized from the other resources that can be taken by the author. Then Hemingway editor improves the readability by highlighting the complex sentence. To avoid the complex sentence, the Hemingway writer is to be used. Next one will be as tools like Quillbot to rewrite the text. So already written texts are available. How to rewrite the tools using the Quillbot technologies. The SEO tools used for Surfer SEO and Ink optimized for the content for search engines. Then AI tools for word AI spin articles maintaining the original meaning. Writesonic and Jarvis is a content-based image input adding the content creations. These tools collectively enhance productivity and writing quality. These are some of the applications that are used in the artificial intelligence. The copy AI, how the ChatGPT can work. If you are giving the how can I help you today, that can be, we can give us a message some here, that will the system will prompt, AI will be prompt based on our instruction given to the computer. So second one will be as a Grammarly. So Grammarly is helpful for the grammar, punctuation, styles and tone suggestions. So it also offers the plagiarism detection and readability analysis. So Grammarly is a free software for the basic users. It's having a paid version also. Then Quillbot. So in Quillbot, that will be supporting the Google Chrome add-on plugins, and this is a widely used tools in the generation for checking the plagiarism, article rewriting, article content rewriting. Next, it will be a Turnitin. The Turnitin software, it is used for the checking the plagiarism. If you are writing any article, that can be performed, that can be checked by using the Turnitin software. The lot of softwares are available. One of the best software will be as a Turnitin. So next will be as a Copyscape or duplicate checker. If you write an article or research paper, you can check it by using the duplicate checker. What are the duplicate words we are using from the previous or somewhere taken from the some source or some other sources. Next, it will be as a Hemingway editor. It highlights the complex sentence and common errors, helping to improve the readability and clarity of your writing. You can see here the clarity of writing. I have given the input like this. After that input, they have processed something. They will give us a short form. How the improvement, handwriting, how can be improved by using the Hemingway writer. Next tool will be as a WriterMe. So WriterMe is to create a content such as article, poetry, email, social media post and more useful for your artificial intelligence. So WriterMe is to perform if you record your own voice, you can create your own voice by using the WriterMe article, the WriterMe tools in the artificial intelligence. It can create the voice. After that voice, it can be used by the many languages. Next will be as a Writersonic. So it creates a blog, post, article, product description and more using for AI generated content. Then surferseo.com. It optimizing the content for search engine, provide insights for recommendation based on top ranking pages. This is one of the SEO tools that will be used for the digital marketing. Then next tool will be as a phrase. So it creates a content brief, optimize SEO and generate content outline based on the specific topic or keyword. If you're giving us a specific topic or keyword, that can be defined by using the phrase tool. So that will be as a free. You can create a content or optimize the content by using the phrase tool. Then Perplexity. So you well known about the Perplexity artificial intelligence tool. It is used for the content creation and deep research into the any topic. You can research any topic, why it will be going on wide. Then next tool will be as a DALL-E. So it can generate images from textual description using a large data sets of images and text, creating novel visual concepts. Next tool will be as a Canva. So the Canva we are using at present, we have to design a poster or something, websites, that can be by using this Canva tool. So wide range of template, graphics and design tools that makes it easy for teachers, create engaging and visual appealing presentation, design, cover letter, greeting card with certificates and project. By using Canva, you can design a poster or website, web page or certificates. The Canva tool is used for the designing tool to generate certificates. Then SendStep.ai. So it is another one artificial intelligence tool. Teacher can generate interactive presentation. You can create an interactive presentation by using the SendStep.ai based on the documentation and other information. If you give a documentation or if given as any instruction to the prompt, that can be created by using the SendStep.ai. Then slidesai.io. It can perform the including general and educational sales and conferences. So this is one of the business tools, slidesai.io. Next it will be as another artificial intelligence tool that is called as a Gradescope, that is used for the grading. So Gradescope enables user to manage and evaluate your assessment. If you are conducting the online assessment, the Gradescope is a very good tool used for the assessment purposes. Next one will be as another artificial intelligence tool will be as a PowerPoint speaker coach. So the PowerPoint speaker coach is designed to evaluate the various aspects for presentation, including phrasing, pitching and filler words that can be used by using the PowerPoint speaker coach. Then you are well known about the Copilot that will be available in your system, that is Copilot education system. So Copilot education system, it will be as a generated for covering everything as a teacher and student need to know about this specific topic or concept or subject area. Finally, I am going to summarize about this. What are the topics we are discussed by in the artificial intelligence tools? So AI in education underscore is for transformative potential across teaching and learning. AI tools offer education opportunities to personalize learning and optimize the administrative task and enhancing student engagement. From content creation and lesson planning to student assessment and feedback, AI facilitates efficiency and effectiveness in the education. Thank you.